This 2012 Keystone Springdale 2560 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 26 feet 8 inches in length and features awning, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, microwave, water heater, LP detector, air conditioning, self-contained, TV antenna, smoke detector. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2012 Keystone Springdale 2560 is 4,657 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.